I love my Weller station, but I hate this noise, which is kind of strong if you live in a quiet lab. And I finally discovered what is the problem and how to fix it. With just those couple of sticks, unbelievable, unbelievable. It's just if you put a piece of stick here and maybe another one here, the noise is totally gone. That's just incredible. And I have been living with this noise for 10 years, I think. See? Noise totally gone. And one last suggestion. In order to open the Weller station, you see here you have this tab and you have to put one screwdriver here and enlarge. And with the other one, you keep the things pulled. And so you have to do it 4 times. That's all.